Hello again. Now, as a parent, it's normal to want to protect your children against the dangers of social media. Before 2020, the infringement of personal rights was viewed in the broader context of our Constitution. The abuse of social media platforms at the expense of children's rights has called for a closer scrutiny of the law. To unpack this, I'm joined now by Director at Mervyn Moodley Attorneys, Mervyn Moodley. Mervyn, good afternoon. Welcome to today, and thank you very much for your time. It's very interesting discussion to have around the Cybercrimes Act in the context of social media. Many of us, when we engage in social media, I don't think we really have top of mind that we might be falling foul of this act.
Yes, Dan, thank you for having me on the show, and good afternoon to you and the viewers. You are completely correct about that. I think when we initially think of the Cybercrimes Act, we think of the general position relating to cyber terrorism. However, with the introduction of the Cybercrimes Act in 2021, the Act has basically regulated the manner in which electronic communication is published over social media platforms, essentially. It is significant. What it does furthermore is that it creates a dedicated framework which regulates content published on social media. This hasn't been the case previously.
Yeah, I mean, does it offer adequate protection for people, for example, who may have been affected by malicious social media content?
Yes, it definitely does. The provisions of the Act, which relate to malicious communications, they cover a range of harmful and offensive activities.